Good morning, children. Now we are doing the exercises of section 1 of unit first in your book Communicative English. Now as you can see in your book, question number A, tick the most appropriate options. Alright. So options are given, and as you have gone through the story, by now you will be knowing what the right options are. So first see, children, legends are. What will be the right answer? Yes, stories about heroic deeds of people. So B. Okay. Then we come to the next question. Science fiction could be regarded as a type of modern myth because science fiction को हम modern myth कह सकते हैं because it, yes, the second option B, tries to imagine other worlds and is not rational. मतलब ये rational नहीं है, real facts of life से कोई relation नहीं है. Now we are going to the next. Third, the sight of a solar eclipse could have frightened early humans because the third option, because they were worried that something had eaten the sun. Now we are going to the next. The fourth question, most solar eclipse myth talks about something eating up the sun because the moon hides the sun during an eclipse. A, first option. Alright. Next, as you are going through this MCQ, children, try to recollect what I had taught you in your lesson. The eclipse myth of the Batamaliba people is different because the first option, it is about making friends and peace, and hence something positive. Now we are going to section C. Over here you have to think and then discuss with your partner. The first question is, why do you think people in the olden times invented different forms of stories such as myths, legends, folk tales and fables? Alright, so I am writing the answer for you over here. Yes, so that they could give reasons for some inexplicable phenomenon that early men witnessed in nature. That early men witnessed in nature. Alright, so that they could give reasons for some inexplicable phenomenon that early men witnessed in nature. Now we are coming to the next question. That is, how do you think these stories become popular when there were no newspapers? These stories became popular through rumors and every culture and through every culture in the world. In the world. Alright, so this part is over. Question number C. Now we are going, children, to question number D. Okay. That is, number these topics in order in which they are discussed in the passage. मतलब ये जो टॉपिक्स है आपको दिया गया है चिल्ड्रन, इनको सीक्वेंस ऑर्डर वाइज आपको अरेंज करना है एज यू हैव गॉन थ्रू द पैसेज. सो नेचुरली दिस विल कम थर्ड, देन दिस फर्स्ट, फोर्थ एंड सेकेंड. ऑलराइट, now we are going to the next question, question E. Replace the underlined words with appropriate words from the box. So you can see, students, in this question sentences are provided and you can see every sentence is having a word which is underlined. हर sentence में एक word है जिसके नीचे underline है. तो उस वर्ड के बदले में that same synonym, alright, of that word, you have to find the same meaning, word having the same meaning of the word underlined in the question, you will be having in the box given. तो सेम मीनिंग वाले वर्ड आपको लिखने हैं, मतलब सिनोनिम, जो आपको ब्रैकेट में मिलेंगे. फर्स्ट इज डिस्टर्बेंस. सी डिस्टर्बेंस, यस, डिसरप्शन. So what you will write over here? Disruption. Next, we do not know the beginning of this feud, but it has to stop. Beginning, matlab origin. So you have to write origins. Understanding? Now we are coming to the third question. We were shocked by the results of the match because no one expected us to win. Shocked, shocked का same meaning वाला word bracket में, मतलब again, once again I am saying synonym. It is stunned. So write over here stunned. Next. Question number 4. The teacher scolded us for creating such a noise in class when the surprise test was announced. So noise means the same Synonym word, combustion. Next, question number 5. Let us ask Mona to help us with the project as she is reliable. Bharosemand. So, the word over here is dependable. So, you will write dependable. Next, we will move on to the next question. That is question number 6. You are overstating the problem. It is not as difficult as you think. Overstating, बड़ा चढ़ा के कहना किसी बात को. So exaggerating. Exaggerating. Next, question number 7. The complicated nature of the word is difficult to understand. Complicated. Complex. Next, we cannot complete this project in time. Your expectations are not reasonable. Without reason. That is rational. So what we have gone through? We have gone through synonyms. So all these are the synonym words of the words which are underlined. Now we are going to the next part, that is question number F. Look up the meanings and write 2 other forms of this word. So you have to do this work yourself at home as a homework. These are the words regular से related 2 ऐसा और synonym words आपको ढूंढ कर आप लिख सकते हो. डिक्शनरी with the help of dictionary means regular word के 2 synonyms, 2 ऐसी word जो regular word से मिलती जुलती जिसकी meaning हो, means synonyms. So do this for homework. Now we are coming to the next part, that is understanding grammar. What you have to do, children, complete or extend these sentences based on your reading of the text. Means आप लोग text पढ़ चुके हो. I have made you all understand very well. Now what you have to do? You can see, children, their sentences are given, but the sentences are incomplete. You have to complete the sentence. इस sentences को complete करना है. As it is, आपको ये जो part of the sentences जो दिया गया है वो आपको book में ही मिलेगी, text में ही मिलेगी. आपको वो ढूंढना है पहले और फिर आपको देखना है कि ये जो sentences के जो half part है उसके बाद वाले क्या words होंगे, क्या phrases होंगे to complete the sentence. Okay? So first, myths and stories. That, so you look into your book where you see this sentence, myths and stories. That now the remaining part of the sentence you have to write have come to us Next, the Vikings felt there was an eclipse whenever one of the wolves caught a bright orb. Next, the Chinese emperor punished the two astronomers because they had failed to predict an eclipse. Now, the fourth one, the Chinese created a commotion during an eclipse because to frighten away the invisible dragon. Invisible dragon who ate up the sun. Now we are coming to the fifth. Vishnu sliced off Rahu's head. Lord Vishnu sliced off Rahu's head before the Amrit could. Why we are putting Amrit with an inverted comma? Because this word does not belong to English language and we can't write in italics, so we are writing in inverted commas. Could slide down his throat. Next, the Batamelebe people's explanation of an eclipse was different as to this. Next, the last one, the armies of Lydia and Medes declared peace when the day turned into night. Okay, now we are moving on to the next question, question number 8. Work in groups of 3, combine each set of sentences into one sentence. आपको you can see below that two sentences are provided. Why? Because you know that a sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. It has the subject, the predicate, the object, alright, verbs. So you see in question number 1 there are two sentences. What you have to do, आपको ये दोनों सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करके एक सिंगल सेंटेंस बनाना है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू इट. First one, myths are very old stories. They have been passed down from generation to generation. So naturally, the main question arises. It must have crop up in your head कि दो sentences को एक में convert कैसे करेंगे. Now, कब हो सकता है? It can be possible when both the sentences have the same subject. Subject मतलब the main subject, the main matter जिसकी वजह से हम further on sentence लिख रहे हैं. तो you know जिसके बारे में कहा जाता है वो subject और क्या कहा जाता है the remaining part of the sentence is the predicate और predicate में verb होता है. Verb मतलब action word और action word, ये action किस पर हो रही है तो हो जाता है ऑब्जेक्ट. जैसे द राम इज राइडिंग हिज बाइसिकल. राम इज राइडिंग हिज बाइसिकल. ओके स्टूडेंट, यहाँ राम सब्जेक्ट हो गया एंड द रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज राइडिंग हिज बाइसिकल प्रेडिकेट. राइडिंग इज अ वर्ब एंड दिस वर्ब राइडिंग किस ऑब्जेक्ट पर काम कर रहा है? बाइसिकल. सो बाइसिकल इज एन object. So a full complete sentence which starts with a capital letter, it has a subject, it has a predicate with object and verb. और दो sentences को हम तभी join कर सकते हैं जब दोनों sentences के subject same हो. So यहाँ पे देखिए दोनों sentences जो है यहाँ myths और second sentence में भी myths के बारे में बातें हो रही है. So naturally both the subjects are same, so we can join it. So myths are very old story. What you can write? सेम टू सेम आप लिख दीजिए. मिथ्स आर वेरी ओल्ड स्टोरीज. यहाँ दे नहीं लिख के यहाँ से सिर्फ दैट. सो मिथ्स आर वेरी ओल्ड स्टोरीज दैट करके देन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट. ऑलराइट. सो व्हाट इज द सेंटेंस विच यू हैव कंबाइंड विद दैट इज मिथ्स आर वेरी ओल्ड स्टोरीज दैट हैव बीन पास्ड डाउन फ्रॉम जनरेशन टू जनरेशन. तो ये दे हम नहीं लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वाइल्ड डॉग्स एट द सन देयर वाज एन एक्लिप्स. तो ये वाली पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस हम पहले लिखेंगे. देयर वाज एन एक्लिप्स एंड देन व्हेन वाइल्ड डॉग्स एट द सन. So ये हम omit कर रहे हैं. Okay, there was an eclipse when wild dogs ate the sun. Now, oh sorry, I have skipped the second one. Yes, second one is people saw something happening to the sun. It frightened them. So यहाँ पे people subject है और second sentence भी it जो people के लिए है. तो naturally हम ये दोनों sentence को join कर सकते हैं because both the subjects are same, it and people. So what will you write? People saw something happening to the sun that frightened them. Okay. Now the fourth one. Rahu's body became immortal. His body died. Now in both the sentence the subject is Rahu. So Rahu's head became immortal. Instead of his you can write but. Rahu's head became immortal but his small letter body died. Okay. Now the last question. An invisible dragon ate the sun. The Chinese thought this. The Chinese thought first the Chinese thought that an invisible dragon ate the sun. Alright children, now we are going to the use of grammar. We have to work with a partner, match the two columns to make some well-known proverbs. हम लोग को नीचे कुछ sentences have been given. What you have to do? You have to match the sentences with each other so that it becomes an well-known proverb. When the cat is away, what will be? The mice will play. Next, don't count your chickens before they are hatched. Next, what can't be cured? Must be endured. Next, strike while the iron is hot. And the last is, where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you children for being with me. Take care of yourself and your family. Be safe at home.